Taxes, the second most inevitable thing in your life. The first is your death. Majority of you have actually no idea how to pay taxes for your online business. And for the ones who thinks that you should not pay taxes for your online business is absolutely wrong. No matter which country you live in, you should pay taxes for your online business, because online business is just any type of income as any other type of income you can think of. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you an overview of the taxes that you might be paying, and I will be telling you how you can proceed with that. But before that, please be aware, and full disclaimer here, that I am not a registered tax official, I'm not a tax expert, and I'm not an accountant. I cannot possibly know the tax code for every single country of the world. However, I have a legal education, so I understand a lot of things about tax law. But still, know that I'm not a tax expert. However, majority of the things that I'm going to be talking about in this video applies to the majority of the countries, so you can change a little things just to apply it for your own country. And if you want to know more about the taxation in your country, please refer and contact to the registered tax official in your country or the registered tax accountant. Okay, let's now talk about the taxes. First thing that you should do is to find out how your online business is classified for the tax purposes. That means that you need to identify actually what you're doing in order to find out what taxes you need to pay, because different businesses can be paying different taxes. This is probably the biggest problem in paying taxes for your online business. As an example, income from Udemy courses made by you, IRS in the United States qualifies as a copyright royalties, and you need to pay taxes for the copyright royalties. However, some countries might identify this as an educational income or income from the remote education, and these types of income can have vastly different taxes. So please identify what you're doing for your own tax purposes. If you cannot identify what you're actually doing, please ask your registered tax official, because he will tell you exactly what you're doing. And know that different types of income again can be qualified as completely different things. For example, Udemy courses can be different thing, a YouTube income, your e-commerce, your drop shipping, it doesn't matter. Every single one of them can be qualified as a different things and can have different taxes. So please ask your registered tax official to help you to classify how you can be taxed. After you have done this, now you know what you're doing, and now you need to find out what type of different taxes you can pay for this individual type of income. By that I mean that different individuals and legal entities can actually pay different amount of taxes. So you need to pay really close attention and research what type of taxes you can pay for the certain type of income. As an example, in my country of Georgia, I pay 1% of my income as taxes, and this is all the taxes that I pay. Mind that I said income, not profit, and this is the third thing that you need to calculate in order to find out what you're actually paying your taxes from your income or from your profit. For the ones who doesn't know, income is how much money you actually generate, and profit is your income minus the money you spend, i.e. your expenses. And by spend, I mean spend for your own business, not for yourself. So how am I paying actually 1% in income tax when a regular income tax in my country is actually 20%? Well, in my country, there is something called as a lesser business or minor business. It can be different in different translations. Any individual can register as a lesser business. Mind that, individual, not company in my country's case. And if your business is generating less than around $200,000 per year, you are qualified to pay 1% tax of your income, and this is all the taxes that you pay. Why am I telling you that? Because your countries might have such special taxes as well. So research it well so you would not pay more than you actually should. Next thing that you need to do is actually register as a taxpayer or as a company. Maybe LLCs in your country have lower taxes, so please research that as well. And now you can start paying your taxes. Also, bonus thing that I want to add is please research when you should pay taxes, because some taxes should be paid monthly, some taxes should be paid quarterly, and some taxes should be paid yearly. Pay really close attention to that, and please again consult with your registered tax official. But Nick, you may ask, why should I even bother paying taxes from my online business? How they will actually find out that I actually make money from this? And this is pretty valid question, to be fair, and I get asked this a lot. How do they find out? Well, when you'll get money on your bank account, state will immediately understand that you're actually generating income from somewhere, and when they will not see any point where this income might be generated from, it is an immediate red flag that you're hiding your income. In the worst case scenario, they will think that your income is generated from illegal sources, i.e. from illegal activities. And in the best case scenario, the best case for them, not for you, they will think that you're hiding taxes, which is a crime in practically every country in the world. So do you want to pay a huge fine or even possibly go to jail because you've hidden and withdrawn 20 to 30% of your income, or possibly even far less than that, majority of which will actually go in actually building your country? No, I don't think that it is actually worth it. So just pay your taxes to avoid any problems in the future. Overall, taxes depend vastly from country to country, and in order to find out exactly what taxes you need to pay, you need to consult your registered tax official or accountant in your country. You cannot avoid that, or otherwise you need to go to university and get tax education or something like that, which is extremely difficult. Trust me, I tried to do tax law minor in a law school and it is extremely difficult. So just avoid this completely. Just go and ask your accountant or someone who have any experience in this case in your country, and they will give you as best information as they can. Or just go to the tax office where you're actually paying your taxes, and they will give you as exhaustive information as possibly can. So do you have any questions about taxes? Please let me know in the comments below. Just don't ask me how you pay taxes in a certain countries, because all that I can answer is my own country. So if you are interested in that, of course I can answer that, but don't ask me about your own countries. Well, this should be it for today. Thank you for being here with me. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want more videos like this one, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. See ya.